Hi, I'm Sandy. I'm 58 years old. I came to Battle Fitness because I was feeling kind of bad about myself. I let myself go, gained a lot of weight, was sitting on the couch not doing a whole lot. I had been physically fit before, but I just got kind of tired of doing it. So I came and talked to Jay. Jay convinced me that I could do this, and she convinces me every day that I can do a little bit more. The best thing about being here is actually working out with a lot of younger people. I thought at first that I wouldn't like working with people that are a lot younger than me, but they make me work harder because I want to keep up with them. Jay recognizes sometimes I can't do as much as they can, so she modifies it for me, but I have been keeping up and I'm really proud of myself and I'm proud of the results. And even better, I can fit into all my clothes that I have been sitting in my closet for a while, so I have a whole new wardrobe. Also, my husband, he notices it, which is really great. And my daughter, the other day when she came over, she was like, "Wow, Mom, what have you been doing?" So to me, those are the things that are the greatest part about working out. I feel good. I feel like I look a lot better than I did, and I feel like I'm going to even look better, thanks to Jay.